Are carbs the reason behind weight gain? Is fat always bad for your heart? And what about sugar? Does it deserve its villainous reputation? Nutrition myths like this have shaped how many of us think about food. But today, we are diving into the facts to set the record straight. Get ready for a clear, no-nonsense breakdown of 5 popular nutrition myths and how science tells a different story. Do you think eating bread or rice is the reason you are gaining weight? This common belief has caused many to fear carbs. But is it really justified? Let's uncover the truth behind this myth. Carbs have been demonized for years, especially with the rise of low-carb diets. But here is the truth. Carbs themselves aren't fattening. What matters is the type of carbs you eat and how much. Carbs from whole grains, vegetables, and fruits provide essential nutrients and keep your body fueled. The problem lies in processed carbs like sugary snacks, white bread, and pastries, which can spike your blood sugar and lead to overeating. Remember, weight gain happens when you consume more calories than you burn. Carbs, when eaten in balance, are not your enemy. Now that we have uncovered the truth about carbs, let's move on to another nutrient that has been unfairly demonized: fats. Are all fats as bad as they seem? You are about to find out. Does the word fat automatically make you think of something unhealthy? You are not alone. But are all fats truly the villains they are made out to be? Let's separate the facts from fiction. Once upon a time, fat was labeled the ultimate villain in the diet world, but not all fats are created equal. Healthy fats like those found in nuts, seeds, and olive oil are essential for your body. They help absorb vitamins, improve brain functions, and even support heart health. On the flip side, trans fats and excessive saturated fats commonly found in processed foods and fried snacks can increase the risk of heart disease. So don't fear fats, just choose the right one and enjoy them in moderation. So we have learned that not all fats are created equal. But what about sugar? It's often called addictive. Some even compare it to drugs. Let's see if this claim holds up. You have probably heard the claim that sugar is as addictive as cocaine. It's a scary comparison, but is there actual science to back it up? Let's dive into this sugar-fueled debate. Sugar is one of the most misunderstood elements in our diets. Why excessive sugar consumption can lead to health issues like obesity and diabetes. It is important to separate natural sugar from added sugar. Fruits, for instance, contain natural sugars but are also packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Added sugars like those in sodas and processed desserts provide empty calories with no nutritional benefits. The key isn't to avoid all sugar, but to limit added sugars while enjoying whole food that naturally contains it. While sugar addiction is a hot topic, there is another trendy claim we need to address: detox diets. Are these popular cleanses actually necessary for your health, or is your body already doing the heavy lifting? Let's explore. Juice cleanses, detox teas, and miracle diets, they promise to rid your body of toxins, but is your liver really crying out for help? Or are these diets just a clever marketing ploy? The detox industry thrives on the idea that your body is full of toxins that need to be cleansed. But here is the truth. Your body already has a detox system: your liver and your kidney. There is no scientific evidence to support the idea that detox teas or juice cleanses removes toxins better than your body naturally does. Instead of spending money on these fads, focus on drinking plenty of water, eating fiber-rich foods, and maintaining a balanced diet. Healthy habits are the real detox your body needs. We have busted the detox myths, but now it's time to tackle another common belief: eating late at night. Does that late night snack really lead to weight gain, or is it just a myth? Let's find out. Is your midnight snack sabotaging your health? Many believe eating late is a guaranteed ticket to weight gain, but is the timing of your meal really the culprit? Let's set the record straight. This myth has stuck around for years, but let's clarify. Your body doesn't have a clock to determine whether a food becomes fat after 6 p.m. Weight gain boils down to your total calorie intake over time, not the time of the day you eat. However, people who snack late at night often reach for high calorie, low nutrient foods, which can contribute to overeating. If you are hungry after dinner, choose a healthy snack and don't stress about the clock. There you have it, 5 popular nutrition myths busted. From carbs to detox diet, the key takeaway is simple. Balanced and informed choices leads to healthier you. What is a nutrition myth you have heard? Share it in the comment section. If this video clears up any confusion, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Share it with somebody who needs this clarity. Stay healthy and I will catch you soon.